Blood sugar chaos is draining your energy right now. 3 quick changes starting the day can flip the switch and help keep it steady for good.
Most people don't realize the brain fog, the stubborn belly fat, the mid-afternoon crashes, it's all linked to unstable blood sugar. And here's the truth, it doesn't take prescription medications or impossible diets to fix it.
Yeah, in fact, small daily habits make a bigger impact than you expect. I mean, forget the idea that carbs are the enemy, I would
Yes.
say.
They're not, they're all friends.
They're our friends,
The good
exactly.
ones.
And weight loss doesn't have to be extreme. And
No.
today, we're going to show you the 3 steps that actually work in real life.
In today's episode of Empowered Health Dialogues, you'll learn 3 habits you can start today to improve your blood sugar for good. Blood sugar issues are the silent epidemic. They start as energy dips, cravings, poor sleep habits. Over time, they set the stage for diabetes, heart disease, and even cognitive decline. By the time your doctor warns you, the damage is already underway.
The urgency is real, but so is the hope. When you get your blood sugar under control, the payoff is energy that lasts throughout the whole day. It's a sharper mind and protection for your future and enjoy the things you really want to enjoy in life.
Yeah, absolutely.
Our first step is one that flips the common myth on its head. You want to eat more plant-based carbs with fiber.
That's right. Fill your plate with beans, lentils, oats, quinoa, sweet potatoes, whole fruits, those type of things.
And they're so good. It may take a while to get used to. If you eat those, you don't have to worry about anything except for that blood sugar going down.
That's right. Aim for 35 to 40 grams of fiber daily.
That's exactly right. I think most people probably eat 15 to 20 grams of fiber,
Wow.
but you want more fiber. Definitely for sure. That's going to be the key.
That's the key. Make legumes and whole grains the centerpiece, not the side.
So are you my legume?
I guess so.
No, but seriously, you got to start every meal with a heap of non-starchy veggies. This fiber is kind of a barrier. It slows down your sugar absorption. So you got to have the fiber.
That's right. We start out every meal with a salad, right?
Yeah, because you hear people talk about like fruits. Oh my God, fruit's going to cause my diabetes. No, you're forgetting the fact that it has fiber in it.
Right. A lot of people overlook that or focus so much on the sugar only.
Yeah. So that's what you should do when it comes to the carbs.
Yeah.
But one thing you should not do is definitely don't fear the healthy carbs. And you see people demonizing the potatoes and the oats and bananas. Just don't do that. Avoid that.
Yeah, you have to eat a wide variety of fruits and vegetables. So stop stripping away fiber by choosing just refined foods like white rice or fruit juice.
And that's where the problem comes in. A lot of people think they're eating healthy, but they're eating these refined carbohydrates, and that's where they think bad carbs are bad carbs.
Right.
But here's the thing. The fiber works because it's like nature's time release system. It keeps the glucose steady. It feeds your gut bacteria, and it literally, it programs your metabolism for success. You need fiber.
Yeah. Everybody needs everybody needs that carb. It feeds your brain too, right? So even if you eat perfectly, there's one hidden factor that can undo everything. And that's
step number 2.
step number 2.
Yeah. Step number 2 is you got to lose excess body fat. If you do step number 1, this will naturally happen, but you got to lose it, especially around the waistline.
Create a sustainable calorie deficit with portion awareness and nutrient-dense foods. Don't eat a lot of the bad things. Eat the good things.
Step number 1.
Yeah.
Right? And then I think a lot of times people get off track because they want to track their progress by the scale. Don't do that. Track their progress by how the clothes fit and how your energy feels.
Yes, and that's so easy to figure out. You don't have to run and find a scale. Just see how your clothes fit.
Even a modest 5 to 10% reduction in body weight will dramatically improve your insulin sensitivity, which is diabetes.
Right.
Lose that fat, become more sensitive, and absorb the sugar out the blood.
And don't chase the fad diets or the extreme restrictions. They backfire and make your blood sugar worse, right?
It's not about restriction. It's really about eating all you want to do, all you want to eat. So stop assuming that you need to lose those huge amounts before seeing any kind of results, because that's definitely not the case.
So visceral fat around your organs release inflammatory signals, right?
That's right.
And that block insulin. You lose that fat and you literally unlock your cell's ability to use that glucose, right? Would you say?
That's exactly what happens. You got all this inflammation going on, and it blocks your ability to get in the energy you need.